Here we have a Land Rover Discovery 5, and what we installed is a Ghost Immobiliser. Now with these Land Rovers, Range Rovers, cars like that, they're highly nickable, very, very desirable for the thieves, so any security is a bonus. Nice thing about the Ghost is that you just got your key, you don't have to carry anything else with you. There's nothing visible that shows that there's an immobiliser installed into the vehicle. Absolutely nothing at all. It's completely invisible. So let me demonstrate this to you. So if you come forward, so if I try to start it without entering any code, it won't start. So what I need to do is enter a code which you could preset, and so we just set it as something very simple. The customer obviously will change it to whatever they desire it to be. Now we wait for the 2 flashes, and now we can start the vehicle. So it's really easy to use, and it only delays your starting by seconds. Once you start getting used to it, it doesn't actually take that long at all. And but the main thing about it, it actually protects you, especially when they clone these keys. You know, they could just jump in, disarm the factory alarm system and drive off. But without this, they won't be able to do that. And if they stole your keys, because with the Ghost you don't actually carry anything with you, it's all pre-programmed in, you know, they're not going to be able to get started. Simple as that, really. So this is a Land Rover Discovery 5, and it has the Autowatch Ghost.